Hello and good day, everyone. There's no such a thing in this world if we don't have the ability to build things led by an education. By the way, I'm Brian Ramos Paglinawan, and the color that Lord my sight is white represents just like before, and it represents priority or innocence. Include cleanliness, symbolizing a new beginning or a fresh start. Um, and discuss to you the infrastructure technologies that is vital to our economy for increasingly becoming more service consumption based, requiring a new skill set to bridge between legacy technology stacks and new economy service models. Um, we go first to the highway and evolving technologies. Uh, As a field, as in all fields, technological advances at least offer the promise of solving complex problems. For high-risk technologies can be classified into those impacting infrastructure, vehicles, and traffic control. Traffic, it is the most problem of all a traveler, especially to us as a student, like we're experiencing the traffic going or going back. There were such there were too much time to consume waiting to commute that is hopefully uses the time to study or to do the things we want to do. Uh, what if we have flying cars or a lot of overpass highways that are efficient to our commuters or passengers go their homes or their work, and it's a massive thing to have such infrastructure and technology. Um, in this picture, we can see the highway intersection in Malaysia. This highway is built, I think, when they are entering to to the city from the provinces to avoid traffic. And I have another example image, a massive roads in Houston, Texas. It is a multi-lane highway designed for high-speed traffic, and we're go to we go to another slide. Infrastructure, technology, investment in highway infrastructure have been made continuously throughout the 20th and the 21st century. Um, Such investments have understandable varied over the years in response to need and political and national priorities. For example, in the US, an extraordinary capital investment in highways during the 1960s and 1970s was undertaken by constructing the interstate highway system and upgrading the constructing of many other highways. Infrastructure technologies contribute to the rapid growth of our economy. For example, here in our country, several years ago, uh, almost 4 decades has stopped to boost our heavy or massive infrastructure that is helpful to our economy. So far, we can see here in our country the projects of the current administration. As a matter of fact, they are greatly enough to do their jobs using infrastructure technologies. They're creating subway in Manila, railways, and overpass highways. It's a legacy to gain economical growth. I think we all heard about the longest bridge here in our country that is totally done by this year, located in Visayas, uh, just in a picture, as you can see, the Cebu Cordoba Link Expressway. And hopefully, there are more bridges to build like that here in our country. And I want to share with you the experience, my experience in the other countries in like Middle East, in UAE, and in Saudi Arabia. They are prioritize the construction of roads with the lane of their electricity before the construction of building or structures in rural or in urban roads. When I saw the idea, that was in 2015. Um, I thought that it's a better way to create such infrastructure. Nanotechnology advances in material science. The main advances of applying nanotechnology is automobiles include providing lighter and stronger body parts to enhance safety and fuel efficiency, improving fuel consumption, efficiency, and therefore achieving a better performance over a longer period. Maintenance and rehabilitation. Rehabilitation is the act of preparing portions of an existing pavement to resist the deterioration process. For instance, removing and replacing the wearing course in a pavement provides new wearing course material on which the deterioration process begins anew. As you can see in the picture, they are putting bituminous asphalt, an aggregate mixed with bitumen and coarse sand. It is one of the best way to fix broken road. And that's the end of my report. Goodbye and thank you.